Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress through HostGator. In order to install WordPress, you do need to have a domain name and hosting account with them. If you do not have these two things, I did make a video on how to get them. I will leave a link to that video in the description box below. Here I am logged into my HostGator control panel. You will see under special offers that there is a link called Build a New WordPress Site. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you are going to select the domain name where you want to install WordPress. So for example, if your domain name was cindyscandles.com, you would click the drop down and select cindyscandles.com as the place to install WordPress. Leave the directory blank and click the orange Next button. Now you are going to enter your blog title, which is the name of your website. For this example, we will call our website Cindy's Candles. Under Admin User, you will make up a username. You will use this username to log into your WordPress website later. After this, you will enter your first and last name followed by your email address. Your email address is where your login information for your WordPress website will be sent. Read the Terms of Service Agreement and click the checkbox, then click the orange Install button when you are ready. When your WordPress installation is complete, you will be shown the username you created as well as a password that was auto-generated. All of this information will be sent to your email, but I recommend you copy it yourself as well to a safe place. If you go to your website now, you will see WordPress is installed. By default, it will look like this. But you can definitely spruce things up by installing a theme. Here's what my WordPress website looked like after I installed a theme. There's a link to this theme in the description box below, or if you want me to set it up for you or a different theme of your choice, I do offer a 48-hour setup service. You can find this service and more on designbymarsha.com. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can type it out in the comments section and I will get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!